Hello guys, Steve here, C. I'm with the Kyosho Beetle. We're gonna give it a run. I just got done bashing it in the sand and on rocks, so we're gonna try a different area so I can make another video here since I have it out. It's a fun car, I love running it. Let's hit it. Oh, that's cool. I ran through the dandelions and they blew up. I'm gonna see if I could do a slow motion like that. Ready? Here we go. I hope that worked. Right over here too. Gonna look cool. I missed the dandelions, dang it. Forget it, I messed up. Alright, let's go somewhere else. Get a test track of doom. Oh! Dusting up the whole joint here. Thing handles like a dream. This is a really good old buggy. Oh. Freaking dust is sickening. Bad day for driving in a dusty area. The wind is like blowing in all directions and it keeps switching, so no matter where I go I'm getting plastered. It's gonna blow! Alright guys, that's it with this one. It was a fun one to run. Let's see what I did to it. Scuffed like a beauty, but this 550 motor runs ice cold. That's why I love them in these chassis. the Kyosho 14 turn 550, that's the perfect choice. I have a Red Cat 550 from a crawler of mine, but they stay so cool. You're better off using them in a lot of these chassis where the gearing ain't optimal. You need a lot of torque so it stays cool, and that's what this does in this chassis. It makes it run nice and stays cool. So if you're looking for a good motor, Kyosho 14 turn 550, get one of them bad boys and you'll be ripping your classic around, staying cool like how I do, except for I beat the living crap out of it now and ruined it all up with scratches. Oh well, it was fun. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Steve Airsh NRC, I'm out. Subscribe, like, leave all the good stuff. Leave me the comments, and if you're new watching, hit the bell so you don't miss future videos. Later. She's dead.